Hello friends, welcome back to my tiny kitchen. I am Quintana here with another recipe to share with you. And yes, it's another first time recipe. You've never made it before, excited to try it. It's just one of those recipes that caught my eye when I was browsing recipes. It looked delicious. The finished dish looked so delicious. And of course it's made with potatoes, so I'm gonna love it. It is from a website called Crunchy Creamy Sweet. And it is Polish potato dumplings, which I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. Kopytka? I don't know. I'll put it here. You can let me know. Anyway, I'm excited to give it a go. I hope I don't mess it up. There's only 3 ingredients. It can't be that bad, right? Let's give it a go.
Okay, so we start with our cold mashed potatoes. I actually added salt and pepper to mine. And then we're going to add our next 2 ingredients. And we will start with the egg. Then we'll add the flour. And then I'll start by mixing it with a fork and then switching to my hands until everything is incorporated. Okay, now I have my floured surface. I'm going to turn the dough out and mix it just a little bit more. And then I'm going to cut it into quarters and roll it out into like a long cigar, or like, just a long string, I guess. And then we are going to cut these ropes or strings into about 1.5 to 2 inch long pieces and set them aside on a parchment lined baking sheet. All right, and now it's time to cook them. I have my pot of salted boiling water, and we are just going to add them a few at a time. You don't want to crowd the water so much. And just wait until they float to the top, remove them, put them on a plate, and repeat the process until they're all done. All right, so technically we could eat them right now, but we're not gonna. We're gonna kick it up a notch. Okay, so we have our skillet heating. We're gonna add the olive oil and the butter until the butter melts. And then we're gonna add our delicious dumplings and saute them until they get nice and golden brown. And now to that same pan, we're going to add the onion and the bacon, and we're going to cook that until the bacon is nice and crisp. And now for the last 30 seconds of cooking to about a minute, we'll add the garlic. And finally, it's time to add the dumplings to the party. And now it's all ready to plate it and taste it.
Look how pretty this looks. These Polish potato dumplings with some delicious bacon, onion, and garlic, topped with a little Greek yogurt and parsley. ready to be taste tested by our favorite taste tester, Dan.
All right. Well, I wish everybody at home could smell this because it smells amazing.
Nice.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow. Tender, just a little bite, some sourness from the sour cream and the richness from everything else.
Greek yogurt.
Want me to do it again and say Greek yogurt?
No.
All right.
Okay, these were so easy to make, so delicious to eat. And Greek yogurt, sour cream, who cares? They're both delicious additions. I will say I did have a note as I was making it. The next time I make them, because I will definitely make them again very soon, I wouldn't add the onions and the bacon at the same time. I think I would wait until the bacon is at least halfway done cooking before I added the onions. I mean, I like a good charred onion, but that was a little too much. Still delicious. Can't wait to make it again. I hope you try to make it. Let me know if you do. Let me know if there's a recipe you want me to try. And until then, don't forget to like and subscribe and spread the word and tell your friends and make all the recipes.